Hey Ivan, look what Uncle Ron and Auntie Ivy gave you. Look Ivan, what is this?
Batman.
Look at this Ivan. What is that?
Batman.
That's Batman. Oh my goodness, that's big. That's huge, that's almost as tall as you are.
Look, it's a Batman.
Yeah, Batman's right there. Look, it can even have remote control. You want to open it?
Yeah, I'm big.
Okay, let's open it. It just suddenly did something, did it? Oh, there we go. Oh, wow.
Transformation complete. Transform to Batbot. Batbot online.
You're not, and I'm not.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, Ivan, look. So there's Batman. Batman can stand up here. Can you put Batman up there? Put him in. He can stand in there, right? Yeah, look. He can stand in there. See? There you go. There's Batman. Alright, what's this button for? Oh. So when you turn Batman, it goes down. What is this button, Ivan?
Yes.
Scanners indicate a chemical spill.
So there's this button.
Search the area. Scan the area.
What about this button? Can you press that button?
Initiate power bot.
Ooh.
Power bot complete.
Power up.
No.
Can you shoot? Does this shoot, Ivan? Ooh, that shoots. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Let's see right here. Oh, you can open this up. Ivan, look. No, you open it right here. See? And then you put it in here. That's what it is. You did it the wrong way.
Go on this.
Oops.
Ooh.
Okay, here. Put 1, 2. Put one more. 3, 4. Okay, close it. Okay, now shoot. See? Push this. Shoot. Push it. Whoa! Do you like that? Shoot again. Whoa! Push faster. That's pretty cool, huh?
One.
So according to this, it can make the different sounds. We press that. There's the claw right here. Ivan, can you push? See, hold Batman.
Hold Batman.
Yeah, push the claw. Here. Here you go. Okay, put Batman in there. Oh, it hold Batman. Bat claw. Oh, it even knows that it's holding Batman. What about this gun? Oh. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's have this cup go up. So let's have it go up.
No.
Let's try this. Let's try the remote. Oh, look! The remote makes it go up. Whoa! So you don't want to put Batman right there?
And it's this.
Here, press this button. Let it go up.
There's a button.
You don't want to press the button?
And then it sit down.
Oh, you want Batman to sit down. Okay. Oh, good job. And then close it. Okay. You can close it like that. Interesting. I don't think that works that way. Maybe. Okay, now press this button for it to go up. Whoa! Can go front. Can you make it turn around? Look, Ivan, look. This turns around. See? Ooh, it's gonna fall.
So go forward.
And that goes forward. So it's got 3 buttons. Turn around, go forward, and transform. Alright, here, transform. Press the button to transform. Ooh. Can you make it turn? Ooh. Can you make it turn?
Oh, where's the Batman?
Here he is. Here's Batman.
Ah, I see. Ready? Ready?
Yeah, shooting.
This is chest. Chest.
So Batman can sit right there, or Batman can stand up there, and then it transforms.
Down.
Goes inside.
Mission complete.
It stands right there.
This one.
Hey Ivan, do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it. Ivan likes it. This is a cool toy. You want to do it again? Oh, well. Ivan, you want it to go up? Let it go up. That's pretty scary. Okay, let it come to Dada.
Begin